Welcome to Learning English with Leanne. Help with writing. This video will show you how to use commas and with verbs. Here we have two sentences. We want to make one sentence with these two. The subject is the same, I. So we remove the full stop, add and put our second action. Wash the dishes. I didn't write and I wash the dishes because it's the same person, same subject. We don't need to write twice. Two more sentences, but this time different subjects. He, she. We must use both. So he cooks dinner and she washes the dishes. Number 5 and 6, the same subject, we. So we remove the full stop, add and the second action, had fun. We don't need to say and we had fun because it is the same subject. 7 and 8, different subject, I, he. We must use both. Remove the full stop, add and then our full sentence. He works at the bank. I work at school and he works at the bank. So here we have three sentences with three different verbs, but the same subject, I, and the same object, the vegetables. We will make one sentence with these three. So we remove the object, the vegetables. We add a comma after our verb, wash. We add the next verb, cut. And then we use and for cook with the object. I wash, cut, and cook the vegetables. Here we have three more sentences. The same subject, she, but the objects are different. A book, her homework, a movie. We must keep these objects. So what we will do is we remove the full stop, we add a comma. She read a book, did her homework, and watched a movie. Here we have two sentences, find the problem. One has a mistake. Sentence 1 has the problem, there is no comma. Sentence 2 is good, we have a comma after tennis and between cooked and ate. Two more for you, find the problem. Sentence 1 has the problem. We have two actions, cook dinner, wash the dishes, but no and. Sentence 2 is good, he works and studies. Two more sentences, find the problem. Sentence 2 has the problem. There is no punctuation, no comma, no and. Sentence 1 is good, you have a comma and. Remember, sentences with two verbs use and. I bought and cooked the chicken for dinner. He works and studies every day. With three or more verbs use commas and. We ate dinner, went to the cinema and had ice cream. We ate, talked and laughed all night. Thanks for watching. Please like, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. To subscribe, press the button in the corner. Thank you.